I remember us hiring Adam and Brantley on our team, both talented developers and now crushing it on the team. When they were hired, we knew we needed the help, but at first, that week they started, it wasn't an awful experience by any means, but just wasn't as fluid as we would have liked. We soon experimented and created a number of repeatable processes for the whole team to use. This is what we want to talk about in this week's experiment, is creating repeatable processes. Growth tightly paired with consistent results or thoughts that float around in an owner's mind often. It's having that big thinking as an owner's mentality and hoping to find solutions through that. Yes. What if we hired one person every week, or our customer base doubled, or the project we did last week, what if we had to do it in half the amount of time? Creating these repeatable steps so that we can create consistency and delegation, so that the purpose of that would be able to create processes that can be documented going forward. Two things we can create are templates and lists. Maybe email templates that the whole team can use, but also task lists that can be repeated. These lists can be for onboarding new hires or onboarding interns. We've done that one actually very recently. And even having a list to set up a computer for every team member. Maybe you have more important tasks that you'd like to delegate, and maybe that someone else on your team is even better at that task than you. Document those steps, share it with someone, maybe has more skill in that area. The templates and lists don't have to be perfect. Remember from a past video, William said it's always easier to edit than create. We are regularly improving our templates that we have. Each time we make a tweak or an edit, the outcome is better for the whole team going forward. It's not just putting on another coat of paint on the walls, but it's editing the recipe that's going to be great for future creations. For this week's experiment, try creating a repeatable process. Take notes of an important task and make a list of all the things that need to be done. Make sure that list is available to the rest of the team, and so that they can accomplish this task themselves. As always, try it this week, let us know how it goes, and ask us any questions along the way.